Hello everyone, Shane Newton here with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant with over 25 years business experience in real estate consulting and corporate finance. If you have real estate needs, please reach out to me. My contact information is below. It's at the end of the video, and it's also in the description. I'd be glad to help answer any questions you may have and help you make the best real estate decision for you and your family. All right, it's Monday, the 1st of March, so let's look at the market update for this last week and see where we're at. And as always, we'll start with the mortgage rates. And this is probably the more important thing right now. Again, these rates are coming from Bankrate and Yahoo Finance. These are average rates for the DFW market using a 740 credit score. And just remember, I'm not a mortgage broker, but I can help connect you with one if you need assistance in that area. Now, what we're seeing in the interest rates is we're starting to see some upward pressure coming on those rates. If we look at the 30-year fixed rate, it's up to 3.24% on average this week. Last week it was at 3.04%. So that's an increase of 20 basis points. On the 15-year fixed, it's at 2.5. Last week it was at 2.39, so up 11 basis points. And if we're looking at the refinance rates, the 30-year fixed refinance rate is 3.3%. It was 3.07 last week, so 23 basis points on that one. 15-year fixed refinance rate is at 2.56. It was at 2.42 last week, so 14 basis points there. The 5-to-1 ARM refinance rate has stayed fairly steady. It did increase to 2.78 from 2.75. Now, what we're going to see, mortgage rates have stayed steady or actually kind of been in a downward trend. And we're going to start to see that reverse this year. With the new stimulus package and the amount of debt that's being put out there, along with some of the economic recovery numbers, they're starting to see some inflationary pressure on the economy. And that's going to cause interest rates to rise. Now, they shouldn't rise in a dramatic fashion. They should stay in the low to mid threes for the remainder of the year. But we will start to see a small but steady increase of those rates through the year. So if you're thinking about buying, it might be a good time to start to act on that to get the lowest rates available. All right. So that's where we're looking at interest rates. So now let's look at what's happening in the housing market in Denton County, which is my main market area. And if we look at it, we actually had 165 homes become active this last week. There were also 47 that were coming soon. Now, in contrast, we only had 135 go into contract. Now, this is the first time we've seen this going back into early last year, where we actually had more houses coming onto the market than going into contract. Now, some of that may be, we're getting into March now. We're starting to hit the summer selling season for houses, as well as the buying has been down a little bit. Of course, houses coming on the market were down a little bit too, because of the weather activity and things we've been facing here in the Texas area. But actually seeing that increase in the number of houses coming onto the market is a good thing. We've experienced very low inventory numbers here in North Texas, have for quite a while now. So the more homes we can get on the market, the less pressure there's going to be on those inventory numbers, which will help start to move the market back towards a balanced market. We've just been extremely low on inventory. So it's good to see that we actually have more homes coming onto the market. And I would expect that to increase as we get into more into March, April, and May in the summer selling season. Anyway, thank you for watching the video and watching this far. I do appreciate it. Again, I'm Shane Knutson with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you are subscribed to our channel on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. We do a new video every Monday with a market update. And we also do a video every Thursday at noon covering real estate topics, sometimes goals, and some of those things. If you would also put a comment in the comment section. We answer all of the comments and read them all. If you have a question, we'll answer it. If you have any topics you'd like to see us cover here in video format, we'd also like to have that in the comment section so we can include that in future videos. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great week this week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.